Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Battlefield 6 Battle Royale mode, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download Battlefield 6 RedSec Battle Royale mode on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go on to your game platform, so Steam for me, and here you're going to search for Battlefield RedSec. Here it is. You're just going to click on Battlefield 6 RedSec, and as you can see, here it says free to play. Just click play game on here and then it will start downloading on your computer. So as you can see, Battlefield 6 RedSec is downloading on our computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.